So let's start with the session. So last time you got the project on prototyping. I think you have to create low fidelity and high fidelity prototyping. So please share your designs one by one. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So I guess you got the project in the last session. Have you created the project or not? First tell me this. It's not compulsory that you have to design the whole. If you have designed some of the part, you can also show that also. Yes, Sujit. अगर आपने if you have created, you can show.
यस मैम, मैंने डायरेक्ट हाई फर्टिलिटी में डिजाइन किया है, लो फर्टिलिटी में नहीं किया है।
Yeah, you can show your design.
ओके मैम, मेरा स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
Yes.
ये बनाया था मैंने, कुछ एनिमेशन किया है इसमें कुछ। इज इट विजिबल मैम?
Yes, Sujit. It's great.
तो ये ऐसा किया था। यहाँ पर तो ये ऐसा कुछ किया था मैंने।
Nice, Sujit. अच्छा बनाया. You have created nice.
स्टॉप कर दो शेयरिंग।
Yeah, Sujit. Yeah, Shreya, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I have done little action. Can I show it, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. So it's a high fidelity prototyping, Shreya, I guess,
Ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
it's nice. Ranjit. No problem, Ranjit. You can show in the next class, and Preeti you also.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
rest, share good. And rest, what you have created or design, you can show.
Hi, ma'am. No. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, Sohil. Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm getting this. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Then this is a or login or sign up
Okay, great,
and a
Sohil.
profile.
Yeah, it's nice.
So it's,
So one thing I wanna say is that why you all have not created that low fidelity wire prototyping. Like you all just directly design that high fidelity prototyping. So why
yeah,
did not you? Yeah,
I
Sohil.
think only high fidelities is enough to design. So that's why we are not design high fidelity.
Like it's not compulsory that you have to design a whole website. You can just
Yeah,
make a small desktop or something frame, and you can just do the prototyping on that.
yeah, okay.
But no issue. Next from the next time, I think you should consider both the
Yeah,
projects.
but
Okay.
next time I correct. Yeah, yes.
And one more information is that you have your review one in the next week. So start with your project. If you have not created,
Okay.
just a second, guys. Yes. Is my voice audible? Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was saying that you have your review one in the next week. So have you started working on your project with the team members?
Not yet, ma'am. Do we have
What?
to get started?
Ma'am, but we did not received any kind of features as told by you.
Yeah. Feature is
Oh, I forgot.
unspecified.
So we were waiting for that.
You can just message in the group or to the trainer. Actually, I forgot to send you the features. Okay, I will provide you by tonight only. I will keep in mind, and your review will be. I think I will change it, or I will talk to the team and will let you know in the meeting or group only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Dhanush, you can show your design in the next class. No issue. And about design, about your project, you can just start your project like the homepage of your uh, topic will be same. Like I don't have to give any feature on that. Till that you can design your logo and how you have to create your website. You can just divide your work. Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh,
we can give any name for the e-commerce website, right?
yeah. You can. It's depend
Okay.
on you. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Uh, one more thing. Last time you understood the prototyping. If you have any issue, you can ask because last time the trainer was
Ma'am,
different.
I did not understood that like hover effect is there in the prototype.
What? What? Which
Hover
effect?
effect like in that prototyping.
Like animation.
How
Yes.
Okay. Sanjay, whether the app. You have to design both the app and the website. Okay, Sanjay.
I can say, hello?
Hello, yeah, Preet. So, what do you want? Like, I should move to wireframing, or you want that we should? I think we have designed a login page in the last to last class. So, you want that we should do the prototyping on that design, so we can continue with that only, and then we will move further to wireframing.
Yes, ma'am, you can show it again.
Okay. Like I don't have that design that the mem is design in the last previous session, but the design that we are doing in from the previous two sessions, we can work on that only. Ranjit, the problem statement will be shared soon. Okay. Otherwise, you know the topic, that is e-commerce. You can include your own features. It's not compulsory that you have to add the features that I am going to give you. Yeah, Prajwal.
And can we get more understand what UI spacing? Because like I'm struggling a bit with the UI spacing part.
Sorry, Prajwal, your voice is breaking.
Can we get more insight about UI spacing?
UI
Yeah.
spacing. Like where you are lacking in that?
Like actually I've designed website, but like the fonts and all the spacing part, like it's a bit off. So like
Can you show me just for
yeah, just a second.
sure you can.
Actually, right now I'm not able to find that file, so I'll let you know later. Just the US spacing part, I need more info about the spacing between
Okay,
letters and the content.
no problem. Like spacing, if I tell you about spacing, so like it's a desktop. So let me show you a design, then we will understand. Anyone else who have to show the project or that you have got in the last session? Because only 3 or 4 of them have shown me, and you are approx 30 to 32. No one has done that project.
Ma'am, I have done a little bit. Can I show it?
What? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have done a little bit. Can I show it?
Yeah, sure.
Check.
Yeah, go on that preview. Then नहीं, I think you have to go share के side में जो है that preview button. From that you can access your or share your prototyping. Yeah.
When I click on sign in, it comes to here.
I think Prashant, your voice is breaking, or either my voice is breaking. Yeah, Prashant.
When I click on sign in, it
Yeah.
alludes to this page.
Okay.
And again, when I click on create an account, it leads to this page.
Okay. So it's working or not?
It's working.
Hello.
Hello?
It's working. So you can
It's
show me
working.
from that button like the others has shown me. Just click on that preview button. It's in the left
Is
side
it
of
visible?
share. What, Prashant?
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. It's visible.
Just two animations I have done. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Prashant.
Yeah. When I click on sign in,
Yeah.
it enters to this page.
Okay.
And when I click on create an account, it leads to this page.
Okay, I got it. It's nice.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
When I click on this, like to type password, how to get the keyboard?
When you click on forget
When I,
password.
no. When I try to type something in this field, how to get keyboard?
Uh, can you just please type because I'm not getting your voice, Prashant. Just type in the chat box. We have to design a whole e-commerce app like Amazon, Flipkart, or we can design like shoes across. Uh, Urmit, it depends on you. You can design either Amazon or Flipkart e-commerce app, or you can design any grocery app or cloth app. It's depend on you. What you have to choose. Okay. Next is, can we also share? Yeah, first of all, you can share your mobile app prototyping. Prashant, how to get keyboard? It's like if I am doing, let me show something. Like it's not the part, it's not on the front end part. Okay, you don't have to design about keyboard. It will be, it will not in your. It depends on the backend part. When it's in working mode, like you have created a Figma, so after that it will be converted into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So in that front end part, these keyboards and all are shown. Okay, so don't worry about
Okay.
that. Okay. Sanjay, Prajwal, you can show your mobile app prototyping. Like Sanjay, you have, it's like you can't do that UX part for now. First, you have to design a UI for your app, e-commerce app. So you can just design what you have done till now in your project. Okay, I will share you the features by tonight, or till then, if I forgot, you can design your e-commerce app according to your group. Okay, whatever you all want in your, you want features in your app. Okay, so it depends on you. Otherwise, that it will be shared in your group. Okay, Prajwal, are you showing your design or we should move further?
Yeah, I'm showing. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yeah, Prajwal.
So actually, I tried creating a dashboard for my for a HR management system app. So
Okay.
it's a listed number of project employees, and according to that, and so I've managed to work out a flow for leave request. So if I click on a leave, if I go back, can I go back? Yeah. I'll play it again. Sorry.
No issue. You can play.
Should I zoom it in or is it visible?
No, it's visible. No issue.
Yeah. So I had this leave request, and if I click on any of these, it will show the details like annual leave and all. So
Okay.
if you want to approve, it will move back to approve. And if I go back to pending, I'll have another leaves. If I click on that, like it's not full finish, some spacing
Well,
and all you can see
no
here.
issue. It's great. Like what you have designed.
So here we can also check the leave balance, like annual, sick, and others. And according to
Okay.
that, we can add comments and respond.
Okay. It's
It will
great
be
as
good.
well. Like you have
Same goes for this. This
creative
has that
analysis.
decline flow, I guess. No, it's not. Yeah, it's a decline flow. Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Actually, I
it's
thought
great.
we need to share website flows, so I was checking for website flows. One of
No,
my.
no, no. It's not important that you have to show the website flow. Okay. You can show your mobile prototyping too. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's great. Like what you have created and what the thought you have given. It's great. Okay. But I think there is some sort of issue in that prototyping somewhere. So just check
Yeah,
it
yeah,
once. है ना?
yeah.
Okay. Anybody else who want to show, or I should go further with the prototyping because we don't have enough time. So let's move further with the prototyping. Okay, once again. Then we will move to wireframing. And one thing, make sure that is project that has been given in the previous session should be completed by the next session. Okay, because tomorrow is holy, so I am not seeing anything. But get completed by the next session because it will add in your review.
Which one, ma'am?
Uh, the designs, the project that has been given in the last session. Like these projects are will be given approximately every week. So for your betterment. So be prepared. Like it's a plus point for you only if you create your project well. Okay.
Oh, the project that were assigned to us, right? Like the e-commerce one, right?
No, no, no. The prototyping one. I was.
That low fidelity, high fidelity, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like this, you will get another small projects every week. I think it's already written in your UIUX course also.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, like
So
you
do we have to submit it somewhere,
No,
or
no. You don't have to submit anywhere. You just have to show me in the class only. Okay. Yeah, Kajol.
okay, okay,
yes, ma'am. Actually, you last session, you taught us about that sign in page and login page. The that also should be like
Included.
completed, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, included. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Like it's not compulsory, but it will add a plus point to your review.
Like
Okay.
yes, please. Okay.
So if you do, it's your benefit. And Dhanush, like small project,
Okay.
like it's a low fidelity. Like we have designed a login page, so I think it's hardly take approximately 1 hour or 2 hour, approximately 2 hour max to max to design that login page. So you can just design a small projects. It's not compulsory that you have to design the whole, like uh, in low fidelity and high fidelity. You can just design one page or two page so that we can see what you have done in your project, like what we have taught and what you have gained in that thing. Okay. What we were doing in the last session, I guess. So this was a design that we have created in the previous session. So let's move to prototyping part. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will do the prototyping on this sign-in page. Then it will redirect to this page. Now there are many options, like you can see on tap, on drag, on while hovering, while pressing mouse enter. So it depends on you how you have to make your app or website looks great. Okay, so for now I am doing on tap. Okay, if I do like touch down, okay, so let's see what's it will show. Like go back. If I have just touched, it just redirect the page to sign in page. Okay, so for now we are doing on tap. Okay, here are navigate to scroll to back, open link. You can use any of the action buttons. Like if I'm doing open overlay, okay, so it will not redirect to the other page. It will just show in the above part. Like see, if I did, I think it's not working for me. We've taken another frame. Okay. Like I'm doing top center. Okay. Or if I will uh, click on this close when clicking outside. So whenever I am clicking outside on the window, it will just close that tab. For example, let us see. Like if I click, so it just show that frame in the top right centered corner, because what we have done, we have just overlay it and position it to the top center. If I am doing it the bottom left, so it will just show that frame in the bottom left corner. Okay, so this is how action buttons work. Now let's delete it. So here are some animations like dissolve, smart animate, move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out. So for now we are doing instant, but in smart animate, like you have, here are other options. So in this we will do ease in and ease out. Okay, or we can do custom visa too. Like in custom visa you can this do your animation according to your own need. Okay, so if I have done this, then if I will click on this, so it will just do the designing like this. Okay, so this is how animations work. Like you can design according to your need, whether what design you want. Okay, for now I'm doing is it easy in and easy out. Simple. Easy and easy out is a little bit fast. Just a second, what's the issue? Now we will just do it instant and this. Okay, after that, if I am clicking on next, just group it. If I am clicking on this next, it will just redirect to this page. Again, I am not changing these animations and interactions. You can change according to your need. Okay, because it will consume more time. So you can just do according to your need. Okay, and this is what this. Now we are creating for this too, because if we click any of the button, it should properly shown. Okay, so our next will be this verify button. It will be redirect to this page, and this sign in will redirect to verification page. Sign up, sorry. Okay, and this sign up also redirect to verification page. Then this verification has been done to the okay. And one more thing, we have to plug in arrow, because if user want to go back, he or she can go. Now we will do this prototyping again to this, and this verification prototyping to this. Okay. I think we have done one thing wrong. This prototyping to this front page. Okay. So let's check once. So if I am clicking on sign in, it's Moving our cursor here. Then next. So it's redirecting this page. Here we have to either design one more arrow or a home page for something for redirecting to other page, navigating to other page. Okay. For now, I'm using this. I'm just showing you. If I'm clicking on the sign in, it's for verification. Then this, then this. Okay. So this is how prototyping is done. Like you can use different types of animations, anything whatever you want. Like if I'm doing slide in, so let's see. So we have to bouncy sign in. Okay. So this is how prototyping works. Now, Kajal, you have an issue. How to configure custom flow? Custom flow, like, let's take an example of this. If I'm doing this,
Ma'am, can we design as much as pages we want? Like,
yeah, but it will be time consuming and space complexity both.
yeah, yeah.
So, design like this that it will not like you have to use pages. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
your design, yeah, if you have created a page, so it should like it should be attractive and it should be meaningful. What you have put in that page.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, like it should not be like you have just created a sample piece or something, or it should not be messy too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because it will just increase your space complexity, and while you are doing the prototyping or you are giving this Figma to the front end developer, so it will just hang, like your system will hang or your website will going to be hang. Okay.
It's not compulsory, ma'am, that we have to design this only. We can design any type of uh, mobile application.
Yeah, it's not compulsory. You are talking
Okay.
about the project or the login sign in page.
No, login sign in page.
You can design anything. It depends on you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's
Okay, ma'am.
not compulsory that you have to design. It's
Hmm.
just for your betterment, nothing else. Okay.
Yeah, 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 ma'am.
Okay. Prajwal, how to configure custom flow? Custom flow? Like you are talking about smart animation only, na? Here you can do this custom visual. Move this here. You can move it here. You can move it.
By doing this, what happens, ma'am?
Like, there are different types of animation. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
even in PowerPoint also. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it depends on you how you have to make your app or website look more attractive. So these
Okay,
are
ma'am.
some of the designs, a type of
Mm-hmm.
animation that we are using. Okay, you just know about these animations, nothing else. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
when you are working on a project or something, you can just do the animation or interaction.
Okay, ma'am.
Like if I am doing this as 600 ms. Okay, so let's see on which we have done that smart animation. We have done on sign up. Okay, why why it's not working? Let's do on something.
Actually, that sign up, actually, it is going to direct the verification page.
No, like in sign up page, for in what we have to do in sign up, we are registering for that website or app for the first time. Okay, so the page that will be open, it will be name, email, password, or confirm password.
Yes, yes.
So it will just redirect to your verification then. While if you have
Okay.
entered your mail, so
Hmm.
I guess we have done something wrong. Take a second. Yeah, we have done one thing wrong because just a sec. We have done one thing wrong. It will just redirect to. This will be deleted. The prototyping has been done wrong. Just a second. Sorry. So if I will move to this next, it will just redirect to verification page now. And then this verification will be redirected to the successful part. Sorry guys. Actually I have done the wrong prototyping. And then this sign up will not redirect the page to this. It will just redirect it to the last one that is successfully created. And this also it will not create to. It will also just redirect to your account has been successfully created. Okay. So now we will see. Thanks Kajol बताने के लिए.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah. Now it's working properly. Like if I'm doing on this, then next, then this verification done successfully. Okay. So these are some of the prototyping features you can add according to your need. So now there is a two link prototyping that sign up. Actually, Muthu, it's because here we have not grouped in this sign up. Okay. So this is for for the text that we have done in that sign up. I think its frame is bigger. That's why they both are showing in the same. Just a second. Let me. Okay. So they are. This is for sign up, and this is for this arrow. If a user clicking on any of these buttons, he or she can just easily get the navigating page. Okay. Like here also, if it's redirecting to this verification only. Okay. And actually their frames are a little bit. Okay. Now it's good. Now the prototyping is understood by you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any doubt in prototyping for now? So let's move further with the wireframing because we don't have enough time. This is wireframing. So what is wireframing? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, wireframing have three types, like low, high, and mid fidelity.
Okay.
Yes, like low fidelity is we draw it as a sketch, and mid is like black and white, and high fidelity we design the final page.
Okay. And what is wireframing? Like you have
In simple
told.
words, we can say that
It's
it's
a
a skeleton of
blueprint.
website or app.
Okay. अरे यार ये क्या है? Yeah, anyone else?
Wireframing is like a blueprint that outlines the structure of website app, ma'am, like a user interface.
Yeah, it's great. Okay. So, as you all told me, wireframing is just a rough sketch of a website or app we have created or designed. Okay. It just helps where are buttons, like we have done the prototyping. So, in this, there are no buttons, like we have done this. These are the some buttons. Okay. So, where these buttons are navigating, this is wireframing. Okay. Okay. So, what's the purpose of wireframing? So, the purpose of wireframing is structure. Like we have to uh, convey the information in a proper hierarchy. If I say in simple words, or there should be a proper flow of interaction. Like we have designed this create account and sign in page. Okay. So if I will just in that sign in page, if I just click on this next, and it will redirect to that successfully verified page. So and then to verification. So it will be difficult for the user to use that app or website. Okay. So for that we use wireframing to create a proper flow of interaction. Second, it's mainly focus on user experience, because for whom we are creating a design or website, for the user. So mainly it focus on user experience, how a user is going to navigate those uh, buttons, text, images, etc. Okay. So next is speed up design iteration. Like it's easier to modify and test ideas. Like if we have designed this, so we can just do the testing at the early stage. Like if we have designed the whole website and then we are checking what we have done wrong or what prototyping we have done wrong. So better we have to do it before, or we can do it a step by step. Okay. It will be easier for you whether where you have done wrong you can know, because it's just a small website. If I am taking an example of this job portal, let me show you. So if I click on this prototyping, so you see there are many prototyping. I have navigate many of the frames. So how I will come to know which prototyping or wireframing I have done wrong, or which icon I have navigated wrong. So for that, it should be better that we should do the wireframing or prototyping just step by step. Okay. Next is align stakeholder. Like there should be a proper alignment of your of your design, either from the both side, top corner, left corner, header, footer, everything. Okay, because it will be easier for the developer who is developing your website or deploying your website further. ठीक है. Next is wireframing के बाद है आपका I think types of wireframing. हाँ. So there are three types of wireframing as Kajal told us: low fidelity, mid fidelity, and high fidelity. So low fidelity is just a what we have designed by either we can do it on a paper or digitally, just simple black and white outline how our icons, button, and text is going to be placed in a website or app. Okay. Then second is mid fidelity. It just include the actual text and content, like here written also, like images, buttons, and the tools that we are using. It's Figma, like we have used in that login page also. So this is mid fidelity, and high fidelity is the final product that we have designed, like in the job portal, this website. So in this is the whole final wireframing of this website. So it's just completed website. So it's the high fidelity wireframing, and this is a mid fidelity wireframing. Okay. Next is what are the key elements we should use in wireframing. So first is header and footer. It should be must. Like you should have proper space. Second is navigation menus like tabs, sidebars, drop down, how you have to use it. Third is the text and images or other type of media you are using in your website. Fourth is call to action buttons. Like call to actions are like buttons and links that you are using should be proper visible. It should not be like small. It should be mm, if I'm not have I created. Let me show you an example if I have. I think for now it's not. I will show you in the next class either. Okay. Next is forms. Like if I am clicking, I am giving a button or something, or I have to make a page in which if a person is clicking on that form, open this link or open this form or redirecting, so it will just redirect to the other page which includes proper alignment. Like here we can see in this this login. So in this is the label, okay, and this is the buttons and text we are using. So this is our these all are forms that we are using. Next is white space. Ensure that you have a proper clean and balanced layout for your website. Okay, if it's not present in your website, so it will just create a difficulty for a user to use that website or app. This is an example of low fidelity. So here we have just created the rough sketch of how our app is going to be look. Okay, so you can see this is our dashboard. So in dashboard, this is a pie chart that has been created. For setting, there are some of the options which are designed in this manner. Next is calendar view. You all know how a calendar is going, how calendar looks. So this is just simply they have done the taken rectangles or by on paper and sketch. So we have designed that and for this creative end. So this is a low fidelity. And what's the high fidelity? This is a mid fidelity and this is a high fidelity wireframing. Okay, is this understood? Like wireframing and prototyping is just almost same. Okay, there is not much difference between both because in both we have to navigate our buttons or text or images. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Mm. In wireframing, there is a like a mock-up also, right? Hello.
Yeah, Kajol, are you saying something?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that in wireframing there is a part of mockup also, right?
Yeah. So mockup is used for the high fidelity static design, like what we have created. Like it's a design of the final product, which includes color, fonts, icon, images, everything. Okay. And the difference between wireframing and mockup is wireframing is just a structure and flow, and mockup is the visual design and appearance. Okay. Wireframing is used in mainly used in low fidelity, and mockup is used in high fidelity. Basically, they both are same. Okay, it's just there's a small difference between both, nothing else. Okay, because in wireframing we use basic space and space shapes and placeholders, and in mockups we use styled components, actual content, like what our website is going to be look, how it's going to be presented to our user. So in wireframing, we just create a like if I have any design. No, I don't have currently. So in that we just copy paste, and copy paste that design just for making a rough sketch. Okay. So this is wireframing.
Yes, ma'am. But can you please tell me the difference? Like, what is high fidelity when we make high fidelity wireframing, and what is like mock-up? Like difference between them.
I think Kajal, your voice is breaking.
Could you hear me now?
Hello. Yeah, Kajal. Hello. I think Kajal, your mic is mute.
Hello.
Hi, yeah, Kajal.
Yeah. So I was asking like what was means the main difference like in high fidelity and like in mock-up.
Like high fidelity just include the level of detail and accuracy. It can be dynamic, but in mockup it's a static visual representation. It will always be static, but in high fidelity it will be interactive and static. Okay. Or it in what's the purpose of high fidelity and mockup is the mockup is used to present the final visual design that we have created for our website. Okay. And in high fidelity it is used to simulate the final product. Okay, so let me tell you about that.
Like in high fidelity, like means how will the final design will look like? Like
What, Kajal?
in high fidelity, it says that how the final design will look like.
Yeah, for example, I can take an if uh, we can take an
Like
example
now
of
you have made that login
login
page
sign
and
up.
sign up. Yeah.
So it's a example of high fidelity.
Okay.
Okay, and the mockup is that I have created for the that job portal main website.
Okay.
Okay, so this is actually my screen was not visible. Okay, okay, Kajal, it's clear. And one
Yes,
more
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
question from then we will end the session. So FigJam is for the user flow navigation. What is FigJam and Figma? So FigJam is used for uh, Like FigJam is mainly used for low fidelity brainstorming, or I can say for planning. Okay. And Figma is used for high fidelity. Like you do prototyping on low fidelity too, but mainly low fidelity prototyping of wireframing is used on paper. Okay, if we are designing on digital, that's our own part. But mainly we use paper, and then we place all the icons and images, text, and all. Okay. Do you guys have any doubt? If anything is not clear, you can ask me just, or you can ask in the next session, because the session will be, I think, after Holi. Okay. I think there is, if there is some communication gap, you can just ask me. Okay.
Um,
Yeah, Prajwal.
Hi, ma'am. So,
Yes.
we will be getting that features requirements about the projects, right?
Yeah,
Till
you will. Either you can, like, you have two options. The one is the features that I am providing you by tonight. You can use those features in your e-commerce website. Okay. Or you can design that e-commerce website on your own. But I think I have told you earlier also that there are some common features like user authentication, uh, profile setting, user authentication, cart, add cart option,
yeah,
or
yeah.
wish list. These are some basic and the common features that are used in a e-commerce app. So you can just design those parts. If there is any issue, I will share for the reference in the group. Okay, by tonight only. Okay,
I,
so you can take help
okay.
from there also.
I guess initially it would be better if you assign us specific features so that we can separately work on within the group. And
Okay,
yeah, later
no
on
issue.
we can.
I will just share you the features by tonight only. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What is the deadline of for the e-commerce project, ma'am? When your internship is going to be complete, that will be the final deadline. And the feature that I have not provided, I'm sorry. Actually, I forgot that I have to provide you features. I will provide you by tonight. So you can just assign the work to your teammates, and please do something for the review one, because you have review one in the next week only. And I think there will be holiday tomorrow and day after tomorrow because it's holy. And do well. Okay, ma'am, should we report our progress of the project? Like you have to report in the next review session, that like you have to report when is your review one. Your review one is going to be next week. So I think it will be on Monday, but I will talk to the team and will shift it to either Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so that you can design it. Okay, and for the day, let's done and end the session. I will provide you that PowerPoint presentation too in the group. Okay, and happy Holi. Enjoy your Holi. Okay, guys, you can leave the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, guys. If you have any issue or anything, you can just drop a message to that group on personally to the trainer. Okay.